Hello class, today we are going to be learning about the fourth type of transformation known as the dilation. The dilation. Way that I remember the word dilation is I think about when I go to the eye doctor and the doctor needs to look into my eye. She or he puts drops into my eye and the pupil gets really big. Well, that is a dilation. So this also happens in mathematics, a dilation. We can change the scale of a shape. In this example, we have two rectangles. We have a red rectangle and we have a yellow rectangle. We say that the yellow rectangle is a dilation of the red rectangle. We have changed the red rectangle in order to make an image of the yellow rectangle. We can begin analyzing this by looking at the length and the width of each rectangle. Now the red rectangle has a length of 3. You can look over on the coordinate plane and see it's 3. And it has a width of 2. Now we look at the yellow. The yellow rectangle has a length of 6 and a width of 4. Now we can compare our lengths of the two rectangles. We have a 3 and a 6. The red rectangle's length was doubled to have a 6 on the yellow. The same for the width. The 2 was doubled. Now we have a width of 4 on the yellow. This doubling of the red rectangle in order to produce the yellow rectangle is a form of dilation. Now, we're going to think about a new way to say that doubling. It's actually a scale factor of 2. So this new term, scale factor, is when we change the dimensions according to a certain ratio. In the last case, it was 2, doubling. We're going to analyze the new example and see what the scale factor is of these two triangles. Again, we have a red triangle and a yellow triangle. In this case, the yellow triangle is a dilation of the red triangle. Now, in order to figure out the scale of these triangles, how was it dilated, we take the length of the dilations side. So in this case, we're going to analyze the length of the yellow base, and we're going to divide it by the length of the original's base, red. And we always do corresponding sides. So in this case, the triangle's bases. So the length of the dilation side is 1, 2, 3, 4. That base is 4 units long. Now we look at the red triangle's base. It is 1, 2 units long. So we put a 2 in the denominator. Now, in order to determine the scale factor, we have to divide 4 by 2 in this case. The scale factor of this dilation is 2. The scale factor of this dilation is equal to 2. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and label this. We said that this base, the original's base, was 2. I had 2 right there. And the dilation's base was 4. So I just want to show you the 2 and the 4. Now, this is the challenge to you. We know that the scale factor is 2. What I want to know is what are the lengths of this side compared to this side, and this side compared to this side. I want the measurements and the scale factor. That is your challenge. I hope you have enjoyed learning about dilations. We will continue with this tomorrow. Thank you for listening.